Hi everyone, this is Darren Weeks. The date is January 23rd and it's about 3:35 in the morning. The reason why I'm doing this video is going to be a real short one. I just thought it was kind of interesting, you know. It's the middle of January, January 23rd, I think I said that. And this has got to be the weirdest weather I have ever seen in my life. I'm going to turn the light off and point this at the, hopefully you can see out there. It's pouring rain right now. It's dark, obviously. That little dot you're seeing is just the light from the camera. But you see the lightning? Okay, maybe I can do it this direction. So there'll be, yeah, you're getting reflection from the computer monitor. Let me see if we can see a little bit of the lightning action out there. There we go. It's just pouring rain out there. You can kind of see my antenna tower out there. Anyway, this is January. I have never seen anything like this in my life. Just thought I'd let you know, thought I'd share that with you. Strange.